In this video, I'm going to install this LED Bluetooth speaker. It's a downlight and a speaker, wireless speaker built into one. Fits a 6-inch recessed can light. So I'm going to install it here in my bathroom, and we'll do a little review and see how well it works. So this one is from Lithonia Lighting. The model number is 261 PPG. Just right there. There you go. Puts out 720 lumens, 3000 Kelvin color temperature, equivalent to 65 watt bulb. So first step is you screw this adapter into the screw shell base. Pretty easy installation. So the base plate in the recessed light is adjustable typically to set your bulb height. So this one has to go up because the original had an incandescent bulb in it. Should put these on. Okay, I've adjusted that original plate with the screw shell all the way up as high as it would go. Put my adapter in. Clip it together. So also don't forget to remove the little battery tag so it will charge, and when it's charged you can play music with the lights off. And there's also a master or satellite switch. And if you just have one speaker, you're going to want it on master. If you want to pair several speakers together, there's a little process to do that. Pair new device. Should I look at the instructions? Downlight speaker came up. Let's play one of my other videos. Music's coming from the speaker.
Nice. It's weird though.
Want to get the video? Get in the video. Well, there it is. I think it sounds pretty good. Let me turn it down a little bit. Okay, great. Thanks for watching. If you want to see some other of my videos, put them in the cards over here.